To you, I surrender, infinite cosmos. In your galactic womb, you carried a planet, which today we call Earth. From its great waters we emerge and are born, spinning and spinning in a spiral, where each of us takes turns becoming what we have not been yet. You are born with us in every moment. You are a womb suspended in eternity. Help me, planet, so that my feet, my organs, my eyelashes, my vocal cords, my torso, my vertebrae, my muscles, my skin, my bones return to you, stripped from all burden. So when I deliver my eyes to you, they have seen only love. I return to you each particle, free of my existence. May my electromagnetic field shimmer in resonance with yours. May our frequencies repair all that is harmed within me. May my blood become vegetal blood. Allow me to read your planetary memory and perceive your eternal cosmic energy. Let your oceans run crystal clear through my veins. I want to see the planet from within. Let me become you again. Grant me the ability to transmute my darkness, so that once more you may accept my body, filled with gratitude, light, and peace.